Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Kura, and on this channel we talk about everything that makes me feel beautiful, which is usually fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And today we have a bit of a haul. We have a contemporary purse haul. So there I was, minding my business, right? Perusing the Coach website, looking for some Mother's Day gifts, and I get an email explaining that there would be 30% off of the website because I'm such a special customer. So of course I had to partake. I had no intention. I got my Mother's Day gifts and my mother-in-law day gifts, and I don't know guys, I had to get something for myself. So I have 4 bags to show you. 2 are from Coach. So let's just get right into it. The first bag is the Chalk Coach Cassie. I was actually inspired to get another Cassie from Krista Stylista. She actually did a video about the 19, and I was going to get the 19, but I felt like I wanted this size in this color. So yes, I'm blaming this purchase on her. If you guys have seen my Coach Cassie review, you saw that I got the oxblood color. And if you watch this vlog, I don't remember which one, I'll put it up here, you also saw that I got the color block pink. So I have a love for the Coach Cassie. It is such an easy go-to bag. It fits more than what I need, and I just really love the purse. I want a black one, but it won't be for a while, probably not until the fall, because I think I have enough right now. I'm not going to talk too much about this purse because I've already done it. Like I said, if you haven't seen the video, I will link it above, and you can go and see what I have to say about the Coach Cassie Oxblood. I will say though that having it in the chalk is very nice. It's very spring-like, it's very summer-like, and I'm really happy to have it. I think my favorite part about this bag is the top handle. It's so ladylike, you guys. I'm not going to speak too much about it. Like I said, I have a full review on it, even ways how to style it, my other Cassie. And yeah, this is the first bag that I got from the 30% off Coach sale. This next purse, again, was completely inspired by Lux in Laveau. If you don't follow her, I will also put her down in the description box. You guys, this is why you can't make YouTube friends. This is why. Like 3 of these purses I was inspired to buy from other folks that I watch on YouTube. So Lux in Laveau did this video about this beautiful green Coach purse. You guys, first of all, if you know anything, you know this is like the color of the season right now. It is just vibrant and beautiful. It is a little tough right now, but I do remember my mom having this purse but in red years ago, and it does loosen up. It does come with a crossbody strap that I haven't used. I just put it back in here. I haven't used it yet. It does come with a crossbody strap. But what Lux in Laveau did, and I thought was brilliant, she used a chain strap that she had from another purse, and it kind of gave it a really updated look. I used this chain with my pillow tabby, and I decided to try it on this bag, and it works so nicely. I got this chain from Amazon, so I'll also link that below, but it just gives you a nice updated version of this bag. Now, when I don't want to wear it like under my shoulder like this, I can still wear it crossbody, obviously, but this just looks like it looks updated. It looks like what is totally on trend right now. So I'm very happy to have this. This color is divine. It is vibrant and beautiful, and just, they have it in several colors. Like I'm pretty sure they have it in black and a beige color, but the green, I need the green. I have tons of black and beige purses. This is so beautiful. I have it stuffed right now because after I use my purses, I put the stuffing back in. Like I said, it does come with the crossbody strap that I'm not using right now, but it is there for when I do want to use it. And it fits a ton. If you want a separate video, I could totally do that. Let me know in the comments if you want a different video to see how much it fits. But you guys, I had to stop watching YouTube videos. I was totally inspired by her. Even the way she styled it was really cute. So yeah, if you don't follow her or Krista Stylista, I'll put them both in my description box, and you should give them a follow. They're a fun follow for sure. So, if you watched this vlog, I'll put it up here, you know that I was thinking about the Marc Jacobs tote, the leather tote, because my husband and I recently got vaccinated, well, the first shot, and we are planning many a trip, because usually, you guys, we travel so much, and I'm just ready to not only get out of New York, but ready to get out of the States. I will go to the Caribbean, Mexico, wherever they will allow us to come, wherever they let Americans come, I would like to get out. So yeah, I wanted a nice little travel tote to travel with that holds like my computer, or, you know, a water bottle, all the necessities you need while traveling. So the Marc Jacobs tote was an option. It's a decent price, and yeah, I just wanted to see what it was. So I went to the website. Upon going to the website, I ran into the Snapshot little beautiful cute bag. Now, I've seen this bag on other people, but never really thought that I would partake in it until I saw the gold. Okay, so yeah, for some people this might be a lot. Some people are like, are you just gonna wear gold every day? I mean, are you just gonna wear gold with your outfits? Yeah, sure, absolutely. Gold is a neutral. So yes, I saw this and I really feel like I had to try it. They have so many colors, but none of them really spoke to me like this gold does. If you knew here, you wouldn't know that I'm a bit extra, so gold is right up my alley. Now, I will say though, when I took it out of the box, I was a little taken aback because I thought that it would be the same gold as my Mansour Gabrielle clutch. The Mansour Gabrielle clutch is more of a champagne, while the Marc Jacobs is more of a yellow gold. So I was taken aback and a little disappointed because I had a different vision for it, but I've been playing with it. And guys, gals, I have come up with some looks, okay? So, if you are looking at this bag, let me just tell you, it doesn't fit much. It does not fit much. It will fit your necessities. Let me just open it up here. Try to fit my phone in here. That fits. Maybe a lip gloss. Or my lip gloss. I could probably get my earphones in here. Here we go. And it has a little pocket here. You take that out. A little pocket here that I might be able to put like my subway card, which I haven't been on the subway in over a year. So, but whenever I do decide to get back on the subway, but yeah, this bag is not for people who travel heavy. You could just get a few things in here, you guys. But yeah, I think it's so cute. I'm going to style it on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, what are you doing? Follow me on Instagram. I'm going to style it on Instagram and you'll see how I style it. But for right now, I just wanted to show you the beautiful color. I wanted to show you how different the color was compared to my Mansour Gabrielle. Because for some people, this might be too yellow. And I thought initially that it might be too yellow gold for me as well until I started to play with it. But even if this is not your thing, they do have tons of other colors. Like I said, this one spoke to me because I am extra, but it is a cute, nice little purse if this is something that you could work into your daily routine. Okay, so what I really went to the Marc Jacobs website for was the tote bag, is what I was telling you. So I did get the Snapshot, but I also did get the leather tote. After I told you guys in that vlog that I was considering the leather tote, another YouTuber called Sincerely Stacy, if you're not following her, I'll put her in the description box. She's fabulous. She is a good mix between luxury, contemporary, and just like Walmart. She did a Walmart haul and it was fabulous. She just has really good style. But after I told you guys that I was considering this purse, a video of hers popped up comparing her different tote bags, like her YSL and some other ones she had, but she also had the Marc Jacobs. So I watched the video with all ears and all eyes open, and she had nothing but great things to say about it. And I really trust her because a lot of the things that she likes, I like. So anyway, I ordered the bag. Now, I might have chosen violence by ordering this color to be a travel bag. I don't know if I could Scotch guard this or if I need to exchange it for a red or a black. I really don't want the black, but I might have chosen violence. We'll see what happens. This bag and the leather on this bag is to die for. You guys, it is the softest, most supple leather that I have felt in a while. I am completely impressed. Now, I don't know if I will need a organizer because I don't want this part to start to sink, but it's not like an everyday bag, so I'm not using this every day. This would be mostly travel and, you know, out of town, weekend trips, just to get everything that I need in there. But I am concerned, one, like I said, I chose violence with the color, but also that the bottom might droop out, which is kind of sad. So what do you guys think? You think I should maybe get a different color? I am going to do a full video on this, what fits inside, my final thoughts after using it. I'm going to use it this week and give you everything you need to know about it. And yes, guys, so far I am very happy with this purchase. I'm also wondering if I should have gotten the canvas. The canvas is cheaper, but I just wanted the leather. I don't know, guys. Bougie for no reason. I wanted the leather. So yeah, girls, we got the Coach Cassie. We got this beautiful, beautiful green kind of clutch bag that I'll probably wear thusly. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw me style this one way already. We have this fabulous gold Snapshot Marc Jacobs bag. Like I said, I know this might be a lot for some people, but for me, it's perfect. And then what I really intended to buy was the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag. And this is a size small, you guys. I meant to tell you, this is size small. So yeah, I will give you all the deets on that later. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I have had my fill and I've had my fun. I am done. I don't need you guys to tell me nothing else about not one other purse. You hear me? So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and I will see you in my next video.